Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing sturdy paper. This matters because the hook must hold shape under tension. Once you have 160-200 GSM cardstock, cut to 11 by 8, 5 inches. Fold the sheet in half along the long side to create a clear central spine. Press with a ruler for a crisp edge. Next, mark a 1/2-inch margin on both sides and measure a 2-inch segment for the hook base. This is your working zone, so align precisely before cutting. You now form the curved hook. Take the 2-inch strip and roll it tightly on the long axis to create a dense shaft. Apply glue along the seam and wrap 1/4-inch clear tape to lock it. Once done, slightly splay the outer layers where the curve begins, then bend and taper a 3-inch arc so the tip narrows. This mimics real hook geometry. Make sure to glue internal ribs along the inner curve and add a cross brace where the shaft meets the base for structural strength. You finish by attaching the rolled shaft to the 2-inch base. Create overlapping tabs, spread glue, and press together. Use clips or weights until fully dry. Once set, sand any rough edges, wrap with decorative paper if desired, and test the hook with a light pull first to confirm hold. If it bends under load, make sure to add an internal splice or re-roll the shaft with a second layer. This adds rigidity without changing the shape and prevents failure in the curved zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.